Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, this one's going to be a little different because I run into a little bit of a problem here. Yes, I'm up at my campsite because I have a seasonal site, but you could use this for cars or anything you're trying to do at home. Well, I've run into a little bit of a problem. I'm trying to put together, I'll show you, one of these Rubbermaid sheds. Bought this so I can keep some things in it, and then this way it keeps it dry, keeps it out of the way. And you can put anything in, from firewood to chairs to pretty much a lawnmower. But the problem I keep running into on this is that, you can, for home or for cars, I'm sure you guys have tried to put a screw like this into a very, very tight area. I mean, I can barely get my finger in there. And I kept dropping them, and you have to hold this piece down and screw it together at the same time. I thought I had them all in there, but I didn't. So I had to back them all out. And then I'm thinking, every time I try and put a screw in that little hole right there, which is a pain, and it kept falling out and falling out. And I started getting frustrated. Then I started thinking to myself, how can I hold these screws, onto the screwdriver? I don't have a magnetic one. I know all you guys are going to go, just use a magnetic one. Well, usually what I do is, here's the screw I got to put in. It's nothing big. It's like a self-tapper. It'll go into plastic or wood. It won't go into metal, but these are designed for plastic. They came with the shed. But every time I would take this, of course, I'm trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me. As you can see, I mean, it wiggles around like crazy. It's not going to stay still, even if I just hold it straight up. But as soon as I get to go sideways, it's going to fall out. I don't have a magnetic screwdriver here with me, which would probably help. But when you go to stick it in that small area, it had the tendency to fall out. Sometimes I would just take this and I would put like a piece of like masking tape over that, through it, and then tape it to the screwdriver. But then you got to try and get the tape out. I came up with a better idea. See the piece of plastic? This was actually from some of the hardware. What I decided to do was, let me set the screwdriver down. What I decided to do was take this screw, hold on here, and get it right into a corner. Just poke it through. And get it somewhere where you can see this. Whoop. Oh, throw that crap out of my way. Okay, as you can see, I poked it through. And the head is still inside there. What I decided to do was take the screwdriver. Sorry if I'm making anybody nauseous out there. Okay. Trying to do this one-handed. So now, as you can see, I had this plastic draped over the screwdriver, and the screw's right there. Can't fall out, can't go anywhere. So now, let me move my little ladder here with my foot. Hopefully I don't fall on my face, but I'm sure you guys would probably love that. See, there's that little hole deep inside there. So what you do, get it inside that little hole. Hold on to the plastic so it doesn't go anywhere. Get your screw started. Once you get it started a little bit, it's enough where you feel it bite, just pull it off. There's nothing left on the screw, nothing at all. And then this way you can just continue by running the screw all the way in. And this way you're not screaming and yelling at it, and everybody on the campsite or at home is looking at you like you're crazy. But I just wanted to share this because I'm sure you could probably do this at home, or if you're working on a car. And then that way you're not so frustrated, you're not losing your mind, you're not throwing a screwdriver across the room or through the yard. So I thought I'd share that one with you guys. I know it's a little video. I just wanted to share this with you. I figured this out really quick. I'm sure some of you probably have too. But if you have another easier way, leave a comment down below. But like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.